Welcome to Garden Portraits. Today we turn our lens toward a flower that brings the very essence of the spring sky down to the garden floor. It is a symbol of resilience and vivid beauty, painting our borders in shades of velvet indigo. Muscari, often affectionately known as the Grape Hyacinth, is a true indigo treasure of the mid-spring. Named for its subtle, musky fragrance, this resilient bulb has travelled from the Mediterranean and Asia Minor to become a beloved staple of the English garden. As the earth wakes, Goika, these tiny spires emerge with quiet confidence, offering a sophisticated contrast to the delicate greens of the season. Muscari blossoms possess a unique botanical architecture that reveals its magic upon closer inspection. Each flower spike is a masterpiece of natural geometry, composed of tightly packed, urn-shaped bells that often carry a delicate crown of white. Beyond their visual allure, these hardy stars serve as a vital early sanctuary, providing a much-needed feast for the season's first waking pollinators. Muscari are beautifully undemanding, making them perfect for creating an ethereal blue carpet under deciduous trees. To achieve this naturalised look, plant your bulbs in autumn, approximately 10 centimetres deep, in generous and informal drifts. Simply allow the foliage to wither naturally after flowering. This ensures the bulbs store enough energy to return with even greater magnificence next spring. Thank you for joining this botanical journey. Whether they are tucked into a rockery or spreading across a woodland floor, Muscari remind us that true elegance often comes in small sapphire-coloured packages. For a silent, meditative version of these blooms, visit my sister channel, The Beautiful Garden. Until next time, happy gardening.